Hi guys! In today's video, I will show you how to remove a device in Amazon Prime. Let's start! So there is actually a way for you to add devices on your Amazon Prime, guys, and we do have another video tutorial for that. All you need to do is just subscribe to our channel, and there's so many things that you can learn about optimizing your account in Amazon Prime. So for today, I will show you how to remove device. So say for instance, you change your mind, or your device has been stolen, or your device has been upgraded. There's so many reasons why you would need to remove that from your Amazon account. So you can go to your account and settings. And sometimes, guys, if you click on account and settings, you will be asked to log in again with your username and your password. And from here, you could actually see a lot of options or a lot of choices for other things that you want to do. But right now, since we're going to remove your device, you click on your devices, okay? So when you click on that, you just need to click on this one, deregister. So in my case, I have registered or added my iPhone for my Amazon Prime Video. And this is where I would just click, and then if I do that, let's see if it would gives you, yeah. So before I would actually, confirm, they would ask you, are you sure? Yes, that's good. Otherwise, I have already deregistered my iPhone. So there, that's how easy it is. And you could also see in this page how to register your new device. So yeah, we've given you a walkthrough on that for another tutorial. And please stay tuned for more videos that we have for Amazon Prime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.